Happy Saturday vlog. I hope everyone is doing well today. Today is Vlogtober day 3. I just got up. I put a sweatshirt on because it's like really chilly this morning. I think it's only like 40 degrees. I'm gonna have to check my temperature, my thermostats, to make sure that I actually have the heat clicked on. So let's just go do that right now. It's feeling really cold in this house. Okay, so let's just turn this around. Let's see. So this is on heat, and it's at 68 degrees in here, but man, it feels colder than that. So this one is on set to heat. So that's good news. I already have 1 cup of coffee in me. Today I'm gonna spend most of the day actually like cleaning hot spots in this house. I was noticing the other day when I was doing a video, the cooking video, I was looking at the top of my fridge. So one of the first things I'm gonna do is clean, organize a little bit better all these baskets and stuff that I have up on top of the fridge. The other thing that has been bugging me is my kitchen table. My kitchen table is a hot spot. This is a hot spot. I just got random stuff here. Like, seriously, random stuff on the side of my fridge. I don't even know why I have this here. I don't even know. It's a random pocket from the Dollar Tree that nothing has ever been put in it, so we're just gonna get rid of it. What's this? Oh, do you need a flat plastic flashlight, you say? I guess this is kind of useful, but I don't know. Does it need to be on the side of my fridge? What else do we have here? Let's see. Little Hello Kitty magnets. I don't really need those. I like the list pad just in case I need some paper. We do not need this anymore because, guys, we have Grubhub. We're gonna throw that right out. Let's see, what's this? Oh, this is from my appliance guy, which I actually have his information in my phone. So we don't need this. The Hello Kitty magnets, honestly, they stink. They really are not that strong of magnets, so we're gonna throw these bad boys out. Then we have this, though, I absolutely love. This is a little, this is a gift I got for Christmas from one of my friends, and she had each of these kind of custom made with our names, the 4 of us. I thought that was pretty funny. I'm the red-haired one. So I absolutely love this, but I want to put this someplace else and not on the side of my fridge. So we are going to find a better place to put this. And then this, let's see if we can zoom in on here. I run on coffee, sarcasm, and lipstick. That's kind of cute. So we'll move that one up here. And I don't know what I want to do with this, but I really don't need this. So I'm gonna take this off, put it aside. Maybe I'll find something, maybe I'll find a better place to put this. I do have some lighting things up here, so I'm gonna stick this up here until I get to sorting out those baskets. And like I said, the table here, it's a mess. It is a mess. I mean, seriously, we have mail, which needs to be sorted, dog poop bags, gel nail polish, bath towels, which I hauled from Dollar General, slides, mail, prime package, bee stuff, I got a charger. Yeah, so we're just gonna clear off all this stuff. I have my purse. Yeah, we're just gonna clear all this stuff off and, oh, chocolate. Okay, let's get this done.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide.
That was a nice quick job. I'm gonna do my best to keep this hotspot clean now. I do have my purse that I have to go through, and I wanna switch purses from my like peachy colored one to my black one, kind of for the fall. So I may do that in a little while, but right now I'm just going to take a breather and go out and check my pool and see how I'm doing with the battle fighting the leaves that are falling in my pool. I think I mentioned that the other day. It's a never-ending battle, and I'm gonna be struggling until the 16th of October when I actually get the pool closed. I'm trying to keep the pool as clean as possible. At least the kitchen table's clean. It looks nice. It doesn't bother me when I walk into the room and just see a bunch of, you know, clutter all over my table, all over my kitchen table. I think at times, you know, you don't really think of it as you come into a room and you put things down and stuff, and then after a while it actually starts to like affect, at least me, it affects me like mentally. Like, I don't know what it is. It's like clutter, visual clutter, like affects me mentally. I don't know how else to put it, but let me know in the comments below if it affects you guys the same ways. Anyways, I'm gonna take a little breather and I'll check back with you guys in a little bit. The duder's out doing his duty. And my apple tree, just about done with the apples for the year. See, this is my old fence. It's all falling down. That is the new fence around the pool. Love my new fence. Let's see. I wonder if he wasn't paying attention. Joanne's got to get the weed whacker out. Let's just add that to my list. It's my neighbor's fence right there. He always likes to sneak back by my shed. Okay guys, so I'm about to clean off the top of this refrigerator. I'm gonna get rid of everything that's up here, organize it, and then hopefully if there's anything that needs to go on top, I'm just gonna put it inside of this like dark colored brown wicker basket that's closed, so it just looks a lot cleaner and stuff from up above. Yeah, let's get to this.
Hold tight, dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you.
That looks much better. That looks much better. Now I just have to find a couple of places for some protein powder, which actually, let me just check the date on this. This actually is gonna have to get thrown out because it's past the expiration date. I have these little bread baskets that I kept up there. I don't use these that often, only when I'm having like a big dinner gathering. So I'm gonna put these in my back room where I have lots of shelves for like my serving trays and stuff like that. So those are gonna go in the back room. I have two, you know, shaker ball protein powder shake things. I'm gonna put these underneath one of my cabinets in here where I have some other drink cups. These will fit just fine. And then the other thing is this old rusty watering can, which I'm actually going to toss out because it's rusted, because very shortly I only have 2 green plants currently that I'm growing in this house, and they're right now on the front porch. So when I bring them in for the winter, I do have like an outdoor pouring watering can that holds a lot more water. And I actually, normally when I would water the plants, I would have to fill this up twice. That one, I can fill it up once and take care of both plants. So this is just gonna go right in the garbage. So I think I'm gonna end this vlog here today with the little bit of cleaning that I did. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I hope you enjoyed it. You guys be awesome. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'm gonna chat with you tomorrow in my next vlog. Bye, guys.